In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Semrush project. Managing your projects efficiently on Semrush is vital to keeping your work organized and relevant. Sometimes, that means reducing clutter by removing outdated or unnecessary projects. Now, let's walk through the process of deleting a project from Semrush step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. Type Semrush into the search bar and press Enter. Once you've located the official Semrush website, click to open it. This will lead you to the main landing page of the site. Now it's time to log in. If you already have an account, enter your credentials in the login section. If not, you'll need to create an account by clicking on the Sign Up option and following the prompts. This will require basic information such as your email address and a secure password. Ensuring you're logged in is crucial, because only then will you have access to your list of Semrush projects. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Projects section. You can usually spot this section on the dashboard or through a clear tab or menu option on the main page. This section is essentially where all your current projects are stored, so it's key to know how to get here. After accessing the Projects section, you'll see a list of all your active projects. Look through this list to identify the specific project you wish to delete. This is crucial because you don't want to accidentally delete a project that you still need or is currently active. Next, beside the project name you wish to remove, you'll find a small settings icon, often represented by a gear or wrench symbol. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you different options relevant to that specific project. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option to delete the project. Click on the Delete option to initiate the deletion process. Be sure to carefully read any on-screen notifications or prompts, as this will ensure you aren't mistakenly removing something prematurely. Before the project is permanently deleted, Semrush will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is a critical step in the process to prevent accidental deletions. You may need to type in a specific code or a confirmation message. Pay close attention to these instructions to avoid any mishaps. Finally, a pop-up dialog box will appear asking for one last confirmation. Click on the Delete button, or whatever equivalent confirmation option is provided, to finalize the removal of the project. Once confirmed, your selected project will be permanently deleted from Semrush. And there you have it, a complete guide to deleting a project in Semrush. Remember, keeping your workspace clean and relevant is just part of maintaining a more productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on navigating Semrush effectively.